Pour half a cup into the shower head, and all the built-up dirt will flow out. Limescale on the shower head is a problem that appears in most homes. It not only looks unsightly, but also reduces the water flow, making showers less comfortable. Hard water leaves a white deposit that builds up both outside and inside the shower head. You don't need to reach for expensive cleaners. Home remedies are effective, inexpensive, and eco-friendly. If you notice the water stream getting weaker, unscrew the shower head and pour about half a cup of vinegar inside. Close it and leave it for a few hours. The vinegar will dissolve the limescale, disinfect, and remove bacteria. Then run a strong stream of water to restore full flow. If you don't want to remove the shower head, prepare a plastic bag with a 1-to-1 mixture of water and vinegar. Submerge the shower head and tie it securely. After a few hours, simply scrub the surface clean. Regular cleaning will keep your shower head in great condition and make showers enjoyable again. Place the shower head into a plastic bag. For this trick, you'll need a regular plastic bag. Put it in the sink and fold it to form a pouch. Then grab some toothpaste and squeeze a generous amount into the bag. Add baking soda on top of the toothpaste and pour in about 300 milliliters of vinegar. You'll notice a chemical reaction happening. This clever use of natural ingredients works wonders. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a nice scent. It's an eco-friendly alternative to harsh chemical cleaners. Tie the bag around the shower head, making sure it's fully submerged in the liquid. Leave it for 30 minutes, and you'll find the bag filled with bits of limescale. The mixture of these ingredients helps break down tough limescale deposits. This simple method will deeply clean your shower, preventing limescale buildup and extending the life of your equipment. Plus, it's inexpensive and easy to make at home. Stick a Band-Aid on the mirror to check if someone is spying on you. This simple trick will quickly reassure you if you're safe. Take a regular Band-Aid and stick it on the mirror. If the adhesive pad reflects in the mirror, you are facing a regular, normal mirror. Look closely. You should see the reflection of the Band-Aid with the pad. On a two-way mirror, however, you won't see this reflection. If the Band-Aid doesn't reflect, someone might be observing you from behind the mirror. Another method worth knowing is the finger test. In a normal mirror, there will be a gap between your finger and its reflection. But if you touch a two-way mirror, your finger and its reflection will touch directly. Another method is to use a marker. Draw a line on the mirror and look at it from an angle. With a regular mirror, you'll see two lines, the one you drew and its reflection. However, if you do this on a two-way mirror, you'll see only one line. With these simple techniques, you can always ensure that you have full control over your privacy. Do you know what baking soda can be used for in the shower? I use its properties not only for baking cakes. With this simple baking soda mixture, not only will your shower sparkle, but you'll also enjoy a longer-lasting cleanliness without the need for frequent cleaning. I'll show you that just one packet of baking soda will help you get rid of stubborn stains and save a lot of money. Pour the baking soda into a container. Add a bit of dishwashing liquid. Pour a portion of dishwasher rinse aid and the same amount of apple cider vinegar. Pour about half a liter of water over all the ingredients and mix. Foam will be created, which will disappear after a while. Once all the ingredients are mixed, take it to the bathroom. Close the drain in the sink and pour the mixture. Take a sponge, soak it, and start cleaning the shower door, especially the chrome handles. Clean the glass on the door and the remaining walls of the shower cabin thoroughly. Also, clean the shower faucet. All streaks and dullness caused by water and soap scum will come off. Then rinse everything with water. You'll see the results quickly. The water will flow down the glass without leaving deposits and streaks. All spots and lime from the water will disappear and won't reappear as quickly. You won't have to clean the entire shower so often. It will be shiny and clean for much longer. The mixture will leave a protective layer on the glass, and you'll have time for other pleasures. Throw them into the shower drain, and the result will surprise you. First, remove the plug from the shower tray and take out the drain part. Every shower has a different drain. Here, you just need to unscrew it. Clean it from any hair if there is any. Thoroughly clean the drain in the shower tray with a sponge. Use warm water and plenty of dish soap. Scrub away all the grime. Soak the drain parts in water with baking soda and wash them. Then pour a liter of vinegar into a kettle and heat it up. Go back to the bathroom. Throw 2 aspirin tablets into the drain and pour vinegar over them. You'll hear bubbling and see foam. Now, boil water in the kettle and pour it down the drain. The hot water will flush the pipes, eliminating any clogs and unpleasant odors. That's enough to make the drain flow freely again. Reassemble the drain with the plug and enjoy a clean shower. This way, the problem of clogged pipes will disappear in seconds. Unclog your sink in minutes. I'll show you how to clear the drain using something you probably already have at home. A clogged sink can happen easily when hair or debris gets into the drain. Go to your cleaning supplies cabinet and grab a spray bottle. You'll also need gloves. Open the bottle and remove the spray nozzle with its tube. This is the key to the trick. Using a utility knife, make a few small cuts along the tube, shaping them like a Christmas tree pattern. Put on your gloves and insert the nozzle tube into the drain. Move it around a little, adjusting its position. Start pressing the nozzle. After a few moments, you'll notice the water beginning to drain. When you pull the tube out, you'll see the debris that was blocking the sink. This simple trick will leave your sink clean and eliminate bad odors. With this cleaning method, limescale won't build up on your faucet for up to 3 weeks. Using a dishwasher rinse aid, you can easily remove accumulated limescale and residue. Limescale and buildup on faucets and shower heads are common issues, especially in areas with hard water. Hard water contains high concentrations of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron, which leave stubborn stains and streaks on surfaces. Regular cleaning and proper care are key to tackling this problem. The solution? Dishwasher Rinse Aid. Applying this product to faucets and shower heads is a quick and effective way to remove buildup and achieve gleaming surfaces. Its acidic formula breaks down tough stains, while its protective properties help prevent dirt and limescale from forming again. To use, simply apply a small amount of rinse aid to a cloth or sponge and gently polish the surface. The rinse aid not only removes limescale and residue, but also leaves a protective coating that keeps surfaces cleaner for longer. With this method, your faucet and shower head will shine like new. Enjoy long-lasting cleanliness and a polished look in your bathroom. Mold and the grout in your shower will disappear in minutes. If you've got mold in your bathroom, you can quickly and effectively remove it with this simple home remedy that always works. You only need 2 ingredients to prepare this solution. First, get a spray bottle. A spray bottle is perfect for this trick. Place a funnel in the bottle's opening to make pouring easier. Add 2 teaspoons of dish soap to the bottle. Then pour in a cup of vinegar. Vinegar effectively kills bacteria and mold. Mix the solution thoroughly. This mixture removes dirt, unpleasant odors, and mold. Now just spray the mixture on the bathroom wall tiles, shower doors, and moldy grout, which is often found around the shower. Wipe it down with a cloth and dry thoroughly. You'll quickly notice how the surfaces become clean and shiny. In no time, they will look like new.